Hi everyone and welcome to our new lab for how to group rows and columns in Excel. So here's my Excel sheet. You can see that there is data of sales of 4 zones like North Zone, West Zone, East Zone and South Zone, and the data is of 4 quarters like 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the data for 2020 and this 4th quarter represents 2021. First we will see how to group the columns. So to group the columns, suppose I need to group these 4 columns so that I can collapse them, and I need to group these 4 columns as well. So what should I do? Step 1, you need to select the columns which you want to group. Then go to the data section and here's the group option. Just click on group. You can now see that these 4 columns are actually grouped into a single column, and you can see a minus button here from which you can collapse these quarters data. If I click this one, you can see now the data for the whole quarters have been collapsed. You can only see the total sales of North Store 1, 2, 3 and total of the total sales. And I can expand them by just clicking the plus button. Now if I need to group these 4 columns as well, just I will click on them and then I will click group. And now you can see these 4 rows are also grouped. Now I will just collapse the quarters data. You can see I collapsed both of them and it's now looking a bit more visible. If I want to see the total sales of 2020 and 2021, I can collapse these columns and it will be more visible to me. I can expand them as well. And for the rows, I need to select the rows which I want to group. Suppose I want to group these 3 rows. So I will click on group. Now you can see it has grouped all these 3 rows and I can collapse them and I can expand them. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you like this one. Thank you for watching and have a good day.